Hello everyone and welcome back to Vice First. In this tutorial, we would see how to use OpenAI's Dall E 2, an AI art generator. In this video, I am going to guide you through the process of using Dall E 2 to create stunning and unique artworks. So what is Dall E 2? Dall E 2 is an AI-based image generation system developed by OpenAI. It uses a neural network to generate images based on text inputs. You can input a description of an object and Dall E 2 will generate an image of that object. The system is based on GPT-3, a powerful language model that can understand and generate natural language text. Now that we know what Dall E 2 is, let's move on to the steps you need to follow to create art using this amazing tool. Step 1. Accessing Dall E 2. To use Dall E 2, you need to access the OpenAI API. You can do this by going to OpenAI website and creating an account. Once you have an account, you can sign in and access the API. Keep in mind that you only get 15 free credits per month, which are used to generate images. If you need more credits, you can purchase them from the website. Step 2. Choosing the input. The next step is to choose the input for your artwork. You can input a description of an object, a scene, or a concept. The more specific your input is, the better the results will be. For example, if you input a red apple on a white plate, Dall E 2 will generate an image of a red apple on a white plate. Step 3. Generating the image. Once you have inputted your description, you can generate the image by clicking on the Generate button. Dall E 2 will generate the image and display it on the screen. You can download the image to your computer and use it for whatever you like. Step 4. Customizing the image. Dall E 2 also allows you to customize the image by adjusting various parameters. You can change the size of the image, the aspect ratio, and the number of objects in the image. You can also adjust the lighting and colors to create different moods. Step 5. Creating a series. Dall E 2 is not just limited to creating one image at a time. You can use it to create a series of images by inputting different descriptions. You can create a theme or a story with your images and use them for various purposes. In conclusion, Dall E 2 is an amazing tool for creating unique and stunning artwork. With its AI-based image generation system, you can create images based on any input. You can customize the image and create a series of images with different inputs. So, go ahead and try it out for yourself. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and I'll see you in the next one.